Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way on how you can change your Roblox country. Now what this basically means is you will change the country that your Roblox account is on. And you could be doing this for a number of reasons, but the main reason that I've seen is you've purchased a gift card in the wrong country. Let's say you purchased a gift card from Australia, but your currency is on USD and it's not letting you redeem it. If you change your country to Australia, it will then let you redeem it and you'll be able to use your gift cards exactly as you like. So I'm going to jump into it and show you exactly how to do that now. Now to start with, come onto the Roblox website, and originally I thought you were just going to the settings here, and I thought it would be as easy as looking through these settings and finding a tab where I could change my country. But unfortunately, after doing a bit of digging, I looked into this and apparently it did used to be a feature, but they've removed it. But don't worry, we still have a way on how we can change our country, so carry on watching. So what you want to do is you want to go back to the home page here, and then in the top right corner, there's a little cog that we can click on, and I'm just going to go down to help. Now, once you've clicked on that, you'll see a little page like this, and we just want to scroll down, and basically you can click on any of these. We just want to find support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Roblox account. I need help with my account. And then I'm just going to press on a random one. Let's just click on I forgot my password. And then from here, there's a whole bunch of text, but we don't actually need any of this. What we need to do is scroll to the bottom until we see this one. It says, need more help, contact support here. So when we find that and we can see it on our screen, we just click on that. And here we want to fill out our contact information, and we want to make sure we do this all correctly. So you want to put in your username, which will probably be there automatically. First name, you can put in your name if you want, but it is optional. You can put in your parents' name if you want. Same with your email address, either put in your email or put in your parents' if that's the one you use. And then the bit that we want to pay attention to is issue details. So what we want to do here is we just want to fill in these details. So to start with, it'll ask you what device you're having a problem on. Now, you want to choose whichever one you are playing on. So if you're playing on your phone, your iPhone, you want to select iPhone. However, I'm on my PC and you might be on your PC too, so I'm going to select that. Then next up, it will ask you the type of help category. We want to drop this down and we just want to look and see which one's the best one for us. And we're just going to go down here to data privacy requests. Now from here, it gives us another option to click another drop down, and we're just going to go on right of access and select this one. Now from here, we want to just give them a bit of description and let them know what's happening. So we just want to type in something like, hello Roblox, I want to change my country to, and then here you want to type in the country you want. So if you want to change your country for USA, for example, we would change this bit here to USA. And then full stop, and you want to start a new sentence. You want to say, I've been trying for so long to change my country. However, it is not working. Then you just want to say, I really want to change my country because now everyone's going to have their own reason for why they want to change their own country. So what you want to do is just type in here your own reason for why you want to change the country of your account. Then after you've done that, you just want to type one last sentence, and you basically just want to tell them how much you've played Roblox. So if you played Roblox for a couple of years now, you could just say, I've been playing Roblox for 2 years now. I would be really happy if you could change my account country. And then you just want to say thanks to them too, just in advance, so that they can change it and they're happy to change it. So once you've got a message and it's typed out something like this with these brackets filled in with whatever suits you best and these options selected, we can go ahead and click submit. And then once you've gone ahead and clicked submit, it'll basically send out an email to the internal Roblox team, and they will take a look at this message you've just sent, and If you followed all of these steps correctly, they will then automatically change your account for you and then send you an email to let you know that it's working. So this will not work instantly, as an actual person will have to change it manually. So what you want to do is basically just wait for that email to come back to tell you that it's actually worked and your account password has successfully changed. When you do receive that email, you'll know that it has actually worked, and you can then redeem your gift cards or do whatever you wanted to do with Roblox. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to change the country of your Roblox account. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.